Okay, she got fish too. Slowly rolling. Oh, yeah, bring it in there. What is it, Roxy?
Catfish.
Is it baby catfish?
Yeah.
All right, pick it up. Put it right here.
It's not a keeper. Don't keep it.
No, it's a nice size, just not big enough to keep it. Good job, sissy. Good job, fisher girl.
They're clean. Okay. Just keep them tiring them out. Your drag is set good. Ooh, look at that catfish. His drag set good. He'll get it. He's on his little Zebco.
Don't break it, don't break it.
Holy fudge, this is cute.
Okay, pull it. But Cash will get the camera so I can get him off. I'm gonna. Keep in the water. Keep in the water. Keep in the water. Okay. Pull your tip this way. Keep in the water.
Oh, it is a cat. It's in
that.
that.
Out of the water. That's how you flip him off your line.
I got him on the fin. He was swimming by.
How did you get that?
He was swimming by when I caught him. Look at that.
He's like, I felt him touching my pole. I just hook him.
He was playing with it.
I told you Sonny was playing with mine. And I wasn't
he got
kidding.
Hooked.
That's a keeper. If it was keep, we do keep it. That's a keeper.
You can eat this catfish. It's a Tygart. You want to keep it?
No.
Oh, okay. I haven't tried catfish.
Sebastian, back up a little bit so I can see.
This is the Tygart. It's not the Ohio.
Damn, big.
You want to hold it, Sebastian?
No, thank you.
Can we keep him?
Sure, yeah, I'm okay with that. I haven't had a catfish.
That means everything.
As long as it tastes good.
Good job.
Good job, Sebastian.
Now it's your turn.
Oh, Kasha's getting one on right here. We're on the Tygart. Let's see what she's got.
Oh, look at how
Look at the little catfish. He went right after it too. Bring him in, I'll get him.
Got it.
Is it hard?
This is a little cat, but I'm going upstream.
It's the one that was trying to steal my bait.
It's probably the same one. We put it back out there.
It's the same one that stole my bait like twice.
Let me see. Is it a big one?
Twice. It's a medium.
Yeah.
Decent.
With that current moving, they're really biting today.
Cool. Okay, we got another one.
One on.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to the logs. See what he is. He feels like a little cat.
Aww.
And it's a little cat.
Aww.
I'm still ahead by 1 point.
We're getting some fish today.
Still ahead by 1
We're
point.
just looking for the big boys. We need to get a fish to put on here that's
Fish
not
tracker.
a cat.
We need a fish tracker, Dad.
And we'll use him to catch other fish. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, what's going on, Sebastian?
Bash.
Nope, catfish. Yeah, it's all cat heaven today, I'm telling you.
Dad, I like how you say
I
I'm
want
gonna
a big
relax.
one out of here.
Yeah, bigger than that, it would be nice.
Dad,
We got some bigger ones. But
Okay.
here's how we catch fish. You just have to say I'm gonna relax.
I'm gonna put the camera away because I think I have a bite. Roxy, start rolling. Whoa!
That looks like the size of mine. Well, a bit smaller.
Yeah, it's a bit smaller.
Just a bit. I got the biggest one.
Oh, that's a catfish heaven right here.
Yeah, they're all moving right now, but I like catching them. They're fun.
Cool.
He's a good sized one.
We can keep them. We can get 2 catfish.
Mama, do you want me to turn the boat?
Yeah. Gotta go float with the stream for a little bit.
He's jerking a little bit. See a fighter. He's a little cat. Just trying to play with him a little bit. He's a little kitty cat. Now we just need his big brothers. He's 12 inches, 14.